CoCo La Rue, the latest in quality hair.
Hi, my name is Taylor Dawson. I'm an actress and a model, and I've been coming to CoCo for a while. And she actually did my hair when I was on American Idol, and I just love the way she does it. My hair feels so long and flowy and bouncy, and she just did my hair, and I'm competing for the title of Miss Maryland Teen USA. And now I feel like I can win, most definitely. I just can imagine the hair is going to be flowing and bouncing on the runway, and I'm very excited. So thank you so much, CoCo.
It's laid, luxurious, it's laid, luxurious, it's laid. Oh, my hair is laid, luxurious, it's laid.